Hello, investors and future investors. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tim, and on this channel, I show you how I use my portfolio in order to make weekly income. For today's video, I'm going to be going through an option strategy that's not only exciting, but it gives you great returns and is perfect during earnings. Welcome to Investment Gains. Let's jump right into it. Welcome back, investors and future investors. Like I mentioned earlier, this option strategy is extremely fun and very high margin returns. Now, if you're new to this channel, welcome. On this channel, I'm going to show you how I do options in order to grow my portfolio. And on this channel, we like to get down and dirty with options, meaning we're going to give you the exact walkthrough of what's going on in order for you to not only be able to follow through, but also you will be able to implement these strategies in your own portfolio. Now, if that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, now is a very good time in order for you to go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel in order to become part of the weekly income team. That being said, let's get right into it. For today's video, we're going to be using none other than NVIDIA. And if you don't know what NVIDIA is, then I suggest you go ahead and look for one of my starter videos on option trading. So here we have NVIDIA open, and now we're going to go ahead. We're going to go to trade NVIDIA options in order for us to open up the options chain. Now, the option chain is a list of numbers and additional data that helps you to make an informed decision about whatever option strategy you want to get into. Now, today's option strategy is going to be a 4-leg option strategy. Well, I did mention it is going to be fun. So there you have it, 4 legs. So we're going to start off with the top side of this, and we're going to make sure it says sell and call. Now we're going to choose our strike date, and for today's video, we're going to be using October 25th. As you guys know, on this channel, I like to do weekly options trading, but feel free to go out 2 weeks, 4 weeks, whatever is based on your own risk tolerance. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and choose my strike date. Now, my strike date is going to be based on me looking for a chance of profitability of 80% or higher. And that is based once again on my own risk tolerance. So I'm going to be going with the $143 strike price. As you can see, strike price to the top. The $143 has a chance of profitability about 80%. Now, with this, since we're going to be selling a call, I will be receiving $1.08. Now, $1.08 in option terms equates to $108 in real terms. Each option contract is multiplied by 100 shares. So let's go ahead and select that. So that is going to be leg number 1. Now, this leg number 1 is known as the covered call option strategy. Good. Now, did I mention this option strategy is perfect for a couple of reasons? Reason number 1 is anyone trading with a small account. Reason number 2, this option strategy is actually my go-to whenever earnings is around the corner. But enough of that, let's get back into the strategy. So now we have our sell call. Now we're going to go ahead and switch over to buy and call, and we're going to maintain the exact same strike date. So now we're going to go ahead and choose a strike price above our previous call, and I'm going to be going with the $144 call. And now that I'm buying, I'm going to have to pay something. The amount I'm going to pay is going to be 0.88 or $88. So the combination of the put buy and also the put sell is gives us a new option strategy. That new option strategy is known as the call credit spread. But don't go anywhere. This is not the end of this option strategy. So with this option strategy, meaning the call credit spread, I will be getting a total credit. Another thing we love doing on this channel is make sure that every single option strategy we get into, we get some kind of premium. So we always up in the trade before the trade even ends. All right, now we're gonna go ahead to leg number 3. For leg number 3, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna switch over to the put side of things. So let's make sure it says sell and put while maintaining the exact same strike date. But this time we're gonna be choosing our strike prices below the current share price. Now, once again, I like looking for a chance of profitability of 80% or higher. So I will be going with the $132 strike price. And as you can see here, the chance of profitability on that bad boy is going to be around 82%. Now, I am selling a put, so once again, I will be receiving some kind of payment. So that's going to be 0.85, or in real terms, that's going to be equal to $85. Let's go ahead and we're going to select that one. So now here you can see our total credit is now up to $105. And that is only the third leg. So don't go anywhere. We still have one more leg to go ahead. Okay, so now we're going to be getting into our fourth and final leg of this brilliant option strategy. And for that, we're going to go ahead to buy and put, and we're going to go ahead once again and select our strike price below the current share price. And we will be going below our previous sell put. So we will be going $131. So let's go ahead. We're going to click into that. And once again, we're going to be buying something. So now we're going to have to pay for it once again. So if you look here to your right, you're going to see this option strategy is none other than the Iron Condor option strategy. Now, the Iron Condor option strategy is a brilliant option strategy whenever earning comes around. The reason for that is that any movements in price is already factored into all the option prices. Always keep that in mind. So listen, I'm going to say this one more time. All anticipated price movements during earnings is already factored into all the option prices. That's going to help you make the right decision. Now, Iron Condor strategy, as we can see here, is a 4-leg option strategy. And once we do this Iron Condor, I will be receiving 0.35 or $35. Let's go ahead. We're going to hit continue. We're going to choose our contract. For this purpose, we're going to just go ahead with one. And now we're going to hit review. Now, as you can see here, with this Iron Condor, we're going to be receiving around $35, 37.88 to be exact. But with risk comes reward. In order for us to make this $37, we're going to be leaving collateral of $100. Now, here's the good thing about this option strategy. This $37 is yours to keep no matter how this trade goes. As soon as you were to hit submit on this trade, this $31 is going to go into your buying power, and that is yours to keep no matter how this trade goes. Your $100 will be left as collateral. There is an opportunity for you to get back the $100. The opportunity is going to exist if, come expiration date on October 25th, NVIDIA is trading between the ranges that you chose here in your 4-leg option strategy. So let me make it quite simple for you. Come expiration date on October 25th, NVIDIA just needs to be between 143 and 132. That's pretty much it. All the other legs are doing is just protecting your upside and also your downside. That's all it does. Now, there's a way that you can lose your collateral. In order for you to lose your collateral, NVIDIA must go past your $144 call or go lower than your 131 put. Now, the Iron Condor strategy is a strategy that has a very high success rate. So, like I mentioned earlier, this is perfect for anyone trading for small account because your risk to reward, in my opinion, is well worth it. Your risk on this trade is going to be around 37%. That is extremely high. If you are risk tolerant, then I suggest you widen up your legs. And what that's going to do is that you're going to maintain your collateral of $100, but your estimated credit is going to be lowered. With a lowered estimated credit, that's also going to increase your chance of profitability when doing the Iron Condor. Now, if you guys have any questions about Iron Condor, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Most importantly, if there's anyone you know that can benefit from this video, feel free to share this video with them. Now, there should be 2 videos appearing on the top of your screen right now. I highly suggest you click on any one of them, which is going to allow you to continue the options knowledge and also help you become part of the weekly incomes team. Now, until the next video, keep pushing your investments.